Welcome to level 5. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to do backward outside edges on a circle. Just like we did on the forwards, the backwards is almost the same. You're just traveling backwards, so it will feel a little more difficult. Okay, so the first thing first, what are we doing? We're getting into our skating position on the circle. We're hugging the circle. Which way should we go? Left or right? Say one now. Let's see if you get it right. Let's go left. Okay, so we face the right. And the head is going to turn and face where we want to go. So this is something new. This is the first time we're doing this. Normally we're facing the way we're going. Now we're facing here, but the head is turned around. Okay, so we're going to start with backward 1 foot lemon. Keeping that left outside edge on the circle, and from here, this is the tricky part, so we have to bring the right foot in and try to balance on the edge. So you will probably be on either the first 2 wheels or your back 2 wheels if you're on 3 wheels. On 4 wheels, I'm just on the middle 2, but you will experiment and see what is most comfortable. So do a couple of pushes and then try to balance. And what you may find is you're doing this. You may stand and you're going out like that. So why does that happen? That happens because you're not leaning over the circle. So if I'm here, in my imaginary circle is here, and if I'm in this position leaning, then I can stay there and I'm on an outside edge. But if I'm too upright, then when I lift, we're going to fall out, aren't we? So we need to make sure that leading shoulder is leaning over the circle in this position here, so then when we lift, we stay. Okay, so let's do that again. So we're in position, we're pushing around the circle just like this, and now we lean, we make sure we feel steady, then we lift the foot and we hold. We're only going for a 3 count, so let's try that. Ready? And let's go. 1, 2, 3. Push, hold and lift. 1, 2, 3. Now you will probably find it's easiest when you kind of have the pressure towards the back of the skates and you're just holding and guiding around that edge. Okay, so let's go the other way. Okay, so we face the circle, we turn this way, we have the head looking down the right shoulder or just in a little bit from it. So if I was facing you and my arm was here, I'm not actually looking directly down it, I'm looking a little bit back. I'm looking where I want to go. Okay, so we're doing left lemons. Just practice those until you do feel comfortable, and when they're comfortable, then you can hold, bring that foot in and balance. You see what happened then? So this is what can happen if your weight is suddenly too far back. If your weight, instead of being here, it goes too far back, the wheels will stop and you will fall, or luckily like me, you will save yourself. So let's get back into that, guys. So we're going around in this position, and then we hold. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2 pushes. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and you can have a little practice when you're standing still. So you can lean. Imagine you're leaning over here, and then you can bring the foot here into this position, and then you can lift. And obviously, if you are leaning over, you will fall. So you have to kind of just imagine. Just pretend, imagine that you're leaning that way, but you can't do it, because if I do it, then I will fall over, right? You need the force, like pushing out, the centrifugal force to push you out as you go around the curve. Okay, so that's the outside edges going backwards. Hopefully they kind of make sense to you a little bit, and yeah, I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.